Welcome. If you want to get Brawl Stars on your Huawei smartphone without Google services, in this video I'm going to show you how we can get it in the really easy way. So the first thing is that we have to get the second smartphone with the Play Store, and in my case I got the Huawei P30 Pro on the right side, and right here you have to get this Brawl Star application, and mine is right here, and also we have to get the second application to transfer data, the phone clone. Both apps you can get from the Play Store, so if you got any other brand like Samsung, LG, Sony, Xiaomi, Realme, you can get it also. And right now just open the phone clone application on the both smartphones. And very important is to select this is the old phone on your smartphone with the Play Store. And on the on the Huawei smartphone, without Google services, you have to click this is the new phone. And by the way, in my case this is the Huawei P30 Pro Plus. But of course, if you got the Huawei P40, P40 Pro, P40 Lite or any other, you can also do this, right? And right now we have to select the old phone type, so in my case it is Huawei also, so click here Huawei, and we can connect in two ways. We can scan this code and we can connect with this code right here. We can connect it manually, but in my case I'm going to connect with the QR code. Unselect all apps, scroll down, enter right here for the apps and the data, and just get the Brawl Stars, click OK, tap transfer, and input your log method if you got it. And right now it's finished, so right now we can try if this application is working. Okay, let's click to try again, but I'm going to check if the GSM center is working. Okay, the Wi-Fi is working, and as you can see, right now the game is working. So we don't have here the Play Store or install the Google services, but the game is working. So thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel. See ya!